So this video is about interaction, and interaction is how things work together to make something happen. And when you get an exam question that's about the interaction, and you get to talk about different processes that might interact, you might well get a list that has different processes like tectonic processes, climatic processes, soil processes, glaciation processes. You're just going to use climatic and tectonic. And basically, what you need to know is that tectonic processes, they're processes underneath the earth that make volcanoes. Without those, you wouldn't get climatic processes like relief rainfall. So one of the things that's happening in tectonic processes is under the earth, you've got your convection currents. They're moving the plates together. The Indo-Australian plate and the Pacific plate meet. The Pacific plate is subducted because it's denser, and that subduction causes friction, which creates heat, melts the rock, and creates magma, which collects in a magma chamber. And that magma or lava is really gooey, really viscous. And as the magma tries to squeeze through the Earth's surface, through the fissures created by the Topo-Graben faults, the magma goes solid real quick and makes a hard volcanic plug, which underneath that the pressure is the magma is still trying to squeeze up, and pressure in the magma chamber is increasing, and eventually you'll get an eruption. And over the course of the last 2.5 million years, that's caused ash and rocks, tephra, to form in layers, and each layer has built the volcanoes up over time. So we'd still expect our volcanoes to be increasing and getting bigger. So you've got your mountains or your volcanoes, your Tongariro, Ngā Orohui, and Ruapehu. And because of that, now you've got something that's going to get in the way of the air that comes in over the Tasman Sea. It picks up moisture, it hits the mountains, it's forced to rise, and the air cools, condenses, forms clouds, and we get rainfall and precipitation over, especially on the western side of the TVC, where you get over 2,000 millimeters of rain. On the other side, though, the air is dry, and we get what we call a rain shadow. So the climatic process of relief rainfall, where air rises, cools, condenses, forms clouds, and we get a rain shadow, is caused by the mountain building from tectonic processes that have made the volcano.